So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we wanna see how to deploy your Flutter apps on Firebase. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, this step-by-step guide for you will make it easy for you. Let's get started. As you can see, this is my web app, which is locally hosted. Open your terminal and write the command Flutter build web. So as you can see, the build is finished. It generates some files in build web. So basically, it generates all required file for your web. After that, go to your Firebase account and create new project. If you have already in that project, you can move forward with that. But if you do not have by this, you can create new project. So I write my project name. So I write this name after continuing. If you want to Google Analytics, then you can enable this. So for that, for now, I just close it and just after that, let's be great. So after finish, let's get continue. Now go for web. There is logo web. Choose this and write your project name. And also set up a Firebase hosting. Now we have to add Firebase SDK. So let's choose use select tag. Go for this and copy this code. And now go back to your project. In web, build a web. Open this and open it. Hope you can see my screen properly. In index.html file. Go down and define the script here. After that, put the copy, you copy that. Now save this file. So after pasting that code, let's move forward. Click on next and install Firebase CLI tool. So we have to copy this and now go back to the project. Open terminal. Experience this. Just paste it here and then so after install, after successfully installed, let's move forward. Go back to your Firebase account and click on next. And this is the command we have to enter there. So copy first and paste it there. Already logged in as this account. So make sure that you are logging with the same account, which is here and Firebase. So now move on. After first command, copy the second command, paste it here. After Firebase init, just put the host name after that and press enter. Y for yes. Please select an option. So use an existing project. Like I have already created a project in Firebase, so I choose for this. Or otherwise, if you don't press enter. You can see there is a project. Yes, press enter. And hosting setup do you want? Then enter. Then press file. I don't deploy on GitHub, so just press file. After the Firebase initialization is completed, we got not build a app. There is main directory Firebase JSON above your stack for the log. Sorry, you see one file there, Firebase JSON. Open it up and see there is public. So we have to define our root base. This is our web page. So our web page is build, base, and then web. So where is our HTML file like? So build and then web. So this is our location. So that's this command, this line is there, and then after save. So we copy that and paste it here. So you can see it deploys processing. Deploy something. So after deploy, you get one URL. This hosting URL. See. This is my URL of that page. Yeah, you can see it. So this is how you can deploy your Flutter web app on Firebase using Firebase. Thanks for watching us. See you in another video.